this is what I like to start with. You always want to start with, I'm going to use the highlighter as example. You want to start here, apply your wax. You want to start here. The best thing to do, well, when you're waxing yourself, it's a little different, but start with your sides. A lot of people have that under skin if your thighs are a little bigger, so then you get there and get up underneath. Now there's no hair right here, so you can get to the lip area and drag it basically to the bottom basically of the leg. And when you're going to pull it up, there's no hair there because you already took it off from here. Once you get the courage to pull that lip strip up, then you do the other side, and the only sides that are left is the top part. So I work on up the top part, get all the wax there because that part of the lip area. For your cleanup strips, once all of the hair is removed, now you just have to do cleanup. Go in the opposite direction. So lay the wax on the sides, going in the opposite. On this part, opposite. Go up, opposite. And it's going to get all the stubborn hairs that didn't come off the first time. And the key thing to remember throughout all of this is please hold your skin tight and taut. That's the technical term. Hold your skin taut, pull it, whatever you got to do to make sure that you're stretching it as far as possible so that it does not pull or crease, anything like that. And when you're pulling, pull parallel to the skin. Do not pull up. Don't pull up, pull parallel.